name is Sofia. I work for a company called Space Ensemble from Paredes de Cora, Portugal. And today I will talk about the digital training kit made during the project Trainers for Creativity, an European project dedicated to youth workers in the areas of the digitalization, accessibility and creativity. The digital kit is a training kit with a lot of resources, case studies, tools to show how youth workers can improve their activities under a digital approach. So how they can use digital tools or case studies from other organizations that use digital tools or resources to make their activities more attractive, accessible or engaging for youngsters. So we think this digital training kit is relevant because as youth workers we always want to improve our activities, and as youth is more and more engaging in digital practices, we have to keep up and also use this kind of tools to improve the work we do with them. So this is why we think this topic is relevant, and also because it gives us some possibilities of connection and collaboration among youth workers, youth, that are new possibilities, and we can do activities only in a digital context or do them face-to-face but with some digital features. So there's a lot of creative possibilities to include under a digital approach in our activities. So Trainers for Creativity is a project that was made with different organizations within the cultural and creative sector, and each organization from different countries has their own experience in specific areas such as online events and tools, music, communication, social issues. So what we tried was to gather all this expertise and through case studies, tools and other experiences to share a bit this knowledge and how other youth workers and other organizations can improve or be inspired by these practices. The digital training kit is divided into several areas such as online events and software tools, music digitalization, dissemination, socially responsible digitalization, among others. And what we tried to do was to collect several case studies or tools in these several areas to inspire or to show to youth workers how they can use these tools to improve their activities. So in this case, in this kit, case study is like a best practice, so something that you can get inspiration from, and a tool is something that you can directly apply in your work. So we think the digital training kit is very useful when a youth worker is preparing their activities or projects, because as we said, we are always trying to improve our work and innovate, but it's not always easy. So it's good to know what other people are doing and how we can also adopt some practices and get inspiration from other projects. and so we think it's really great to get some inspiration and ideas to develop our own activities and to adapt these case studies and tools to our activities. And also it's a great tool to link to the other training kits of the project, such as the creative training kit, the accessible training kit and the other visual training kit, because they are all about the same thing, that it's innovation in cultural and creative activities. So if you manage to gather knowledge from the different kits, you will have a very meaningful and engaging activity for youngsters, and that's the purpose of the project and of this sharing of knowledge. We hope this information was useful for you and that you visit all the training kits on our website. And that you share these practices and knowledge to your colleagues and other youth workers you know in your country and in the European Union and around the world. Thank you.